I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Porsche Macan. First of all, we go over to music, as it's now called, used to be called iTunes, and you can see there that this system is showing up. If I just click on it, there's a tick next to it. If there's no tick, just it could be on iPhone there, so we just touch Porsche, click it, and that's it back. Then we go back to the record. I'm going to turn it down, click play. It may go off that because the unit isn't set correctly. So what we need to do, if you go to media there, that's showing what's playing at the moment. If you go to source, that gives you a choice of what to play through the media. And as you can see there, it's set to disc. So we set it to Bluetooth, showing back to black. New sensation now, in excess. So now if I turn this up, that's Mr. Hutchins there, singing his heart out. That's it, that's how you stream audio.